The St. Catharines South Police say they'll be looking to build on last year's success as operations are ramped up in coming weeks. Speaking at a recent Commanders Parade and Awards ceremony, head of the Area 5 Police, Assistant Commissioner Howard Chambers, provided a breakdown of the areas which will be given special attention.
Other public order initiatives, or hotspot controlling, or anti-gang initiatives complemented with the pursuit of violence producers, while at the same time, most importantly, the continuous high engagement with our community or stakeholders. Very important.
Meanwhile, Commanding Officer Senior Superintendent Leighton Gray, while pointing to data from 2025, stressed the need to rid the criminals of their weapons.
A total of 58 illegal firearms were recovered throughout the year, along with over 550 assorted ammunition, which suggests that we may have saved 549 lives. Here I pay homage to my operation officer, Mr. Triville Orton, and the Divisional Intelligence Team and their members for achieving that feat.